Welcome to Fat Burning Yoga Masterclass. It's a short but very intensive class where we're going to hold poses for several amount of time, which is helping our body to burn fat really quickly. So if you would love to get in shape and to lose extra water that your body holds, this practice is for you. So without further ado, my name is Paula Rubis. I'm happy to welcome you. Let's get started. We're going to start in a kneeling position, and first I will ask you just to feel your weight, to warm up your body a little bit by shifting forward and back. Tuck your toes. On the inhale, lift up your knees about 2 inches from the floor. Right away, you're going to engage upper body and lower body, especially your core. Hold it for 3, 2, 1, and drop. Release. Push forward and back again for a few times. Give it a little bit of bigger range. Back to the center. Inhale, lift up knees. Make sure that your back is completely flat here. For 3, 2, 1. On the exhale, push to downward facing dog. On the first one, we're going to be gentle, so tap for a few times. Rotate your seat bones up to the ceiling. Arms extend. Take a deep breath here, push back. Inhale, lift up heels, warm up your toes. Shift left and right. Drop. Next time, lift up heels, start around your back. And I'm going to wait for you in a plank pose. So for now, we're keeping our feet shoulder distance width. The back is flat. Holding for 3, 2, 1. After we're done, start twisting slightly one side and another side of your lower body. Exhale each time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, push back. Downward facing dog. Tap. Here, inhale, heels up. Exhale down. Now we're going to combine those two. Lift up heels. Bend your knees and hold them 2 inches from the floor. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, downward facing. We're going to go to plank again. Inhale, lift up heels. Then start rolling your back. Find yourself in plank pose. And you're going to start twisting. That's amazing for your abs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going for 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. First push up. Bending elbows, 90 degrees. Inhale, push to your upward dog. Chest stop, head up. And then start rolling back. Exhale, tap. Downward facing dog. Inhale, lift up heels. Exhale, back to all fours. Holding. 3, 2, 1. Push back. Downward facing dog. Now inhale your right leg up to the ceiling. Push up and back. You can slightly stretch in first. Then square your hips. Take a deep inhale here. On the exhale, step your right leg through. Ground your left heel and coming up for warrior 1. So now we're going to start warming up the lower body, the legs. We're going to make them nice and toned. So your front knee facing forward. Here, your hips are open. Inhale your arms up, stretch up for a second. And now, rotate your left leg right in. So you find yourself in the crescent lunge. We're going low down, pushing up. 2, 3. So make sure the front leg is 90 degrees. 4, 5, 6. Last one. 7. Hold it. And now replace your weight forward. So you're going to feel how this leg is having the burning sensations. Keep yourself here. 3, 2, and 1. Coming up. We're going to find each other in a warrior 2 pose. So your front leg again facing forward. Inhale, clap your hands. Exhale, bend. 2, 3, bend to 90, 4, 5, you're going to feel your glutes working, 6, it's also wonderful for your mobility, and 7, hold here. So now keep your legs wide open. The only part we're going to shift is the upper body, forward and back, your core, forward and back, forward and back, 4, 5, 6, we're going for 7, nice. Find yourself right in the center. Exhale, drop the weight forward, hips up, drop your hands on the floor. If you squats, knees striking forward. Inhale, you can use blocks if it's not available to you to put your hands on the floor. 3 and 4, last one, 5, beautiful. From here, roll yourself all the way up, inhale. Now we're going to shift to the other side of the room. Right away to warrior 2, and let's go. 1, 2. So as you see, we have a very short breaks. 4, 5, 6. Keep your left leg engaged the whole time. 7, and sit low. Really low, wide open legs. Tiny pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Last one. Nice. From here, we're going to warrior 1 first. So as you see, the right leg position is still the same. So we're coming back where we started. Opening up this hip flexor, feeling the weight, relaxing, and then turn this leg in. So now you are in a crescent lunge, and you go for 7 pushes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Now sitting low, shifting weight forward. Feeling here. This leg is working now. Beautiful. And from here, we're going to do one vinyasa. So drop your hands down, step back with your leg. This time, put your toes to touch. Toes touch, stomach in. Another plank, and twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vinyasa. Inhale. Upward dog, shift, shift. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now lift up heels and jump between your hands and arrive on your butt. So now we're going to engage our core again. Lift up legs, Navasana pose. So here, you can place your hands back. You can hold them here, or you can straight up your legs. So whatever is more available to you, please go for it. And we're going to go down, hug ourselves in, knees going really close. Again, lower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hug your knees in, grab your heels. Deep inhale here. Empty, empty, empty. So now we're going down, holding yourself, sucking your stomach in, hands close to your thighs and the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rock and rolls. Just to relax. 1, 2, 3. On 4, arrive on your feet. 4. So immediately we are in a sitting chair. Here, sit low. Your glutes supposed to be looking down on your heels, arms forward, squatting deep. And here you're pushing your knees towards each other. Creating little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale, hug your knees in. Relax everything. So here you can hug your shins in, or you can drop your hands down, or you can use the blocks. Whatever is best. Hug yourself in. Decompress. And bend your knees again. Let's start rolling up. All the way up. So now, facing the camera, knees wide open. We're gonna go in a squat with the wide open legs. Wide open, as wide as you can. And squeeze one penny between your glutes and hold it there. And we're gonna pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Going low, hands on top of knees, twists. Open up your back. Twist. 2, 3, 4, going for 6, 5, and 6. Inhale. Exhale, tilt forward. Glutes going up. Again, stretching the back of your legs. Beautiful. To finish our practice, we're going to increase the intensity, so the fat is burning another hour or 2 after we're done. So we're coming back to the plank pose. And here, I will ask you to bring your left knee towards your chest. Switch it up. Switch it up. So the whole time, your core is engaged. Don't need to go too fast. Exhale each time for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Cut back. Relax. Inhale, heels up. Exhale, drop the knees on the floor and come back. Walk your legs towards your hands. Swing down and roll up. Finishing line here will be jumping jacks. I know it's not a part of the yoga practice, but it's one of the most effective exercises you can imagine. It's gonna speed up your heartbeat. So let's go. We're going to go for 30 and 1. 10. Inhale. Exhale, prayer. Take a deep breath in. Release. And so here, take a few moments by yourself to just decompress. I would also suggest to sit down on the floor in a comfy pose. I prefer lotus, and kind of just process the movement within your body. Finish up with a little meditation. Find your breath in the center. This practice is a very short burning fat snack. that you are taking every day. It's very easy because it's very short. So you guys, that was it. My name is Paula Ruby, CEO of New Sutras, and I would love to see how you feel. Any questions that you can ask, please drop them in the comments. Also like this video and feel free to share it so other people can benefit from yoga and this knowledge. Thank you so much for being with me. Please follow my socials, and there is plenty of interesting links and books that I offering that you can find under this video. Stay blessed and see you next episode.